Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are here in beautiful Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I'm outside with my dog Bella and we are going to be reading your comments and responding to them and also to your questions. Remember that at any time you can ask questions in the comment section below, and if you have especially good ones that I haven't repeated like a million times, I'm happy to address those. And also I'm happy to hear from vegan animal defenders who have their own experiences. You can tell me about your life a little bit. I'll also interact with you that way. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a big statement or a big question. You can just say, hey, here's what's happening in my life. Just let you know I'm trying to be vegan. You can also tell me if you're having trouble, if you are having problems with your family. Some people have vegan phobic parents who don't want them to come out of the closet as vegans. Anyway, just tell me whatever it is you want to say, okay?
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Declare it, I'll be vegan from now on. Declare put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on.
Reading comments today, here's what you say. You're asking if I care about sharks. Well, what I care about is ending suffering. I don't want anyone to suffer. I just can put myself in their position, you know? If a shark is forced out of water and is dying a slow death on a beach, that makes me sad. And I think that someone should do their best to pull the shark by the tail back into the water. If I can prevent the suffering of dogs, cats, pigs, chickens, cows, dolphins, any animals, I'll try to do that because I can put myself in their position and know that I would really want somebody to step up and to rescue me. Wouldn't you want to be rescued? I think you would.
Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to love animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to care for animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. That is extreme. Veganism isn't extreme. It's true love.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You say that you're not vegetarian or vegan, but that you think that being vegan is a good choice and also good beat on my song. So you liked my song. And you're also not vegan yet. What are we going to do about you? So what I'm curious about is which animals do you eat? Do you eat cats? Do you eat dogs? Do you eat guinea pigs? Or frogs? Which animals do you eat? Which parts of the animals do you eat? Do you eat their toes? Do you eat their fur? Which parts? When you eat animals, do you eat their noses?
There's no excuse for animal abuse. Not religion, not an eating disorder, not peer pressure, not your monetary status. Don't eat animals, don't buy their bodies, don't steal their milk, their blood, or their honey. Don't wear their fur or their feathers. It is only by the grace of God that you are not in their skin. Each time you see a public display of meat, dairy, stolen eggs, or fur in an ad, give it the middle finger. Each time you see an animal suffering, run to help as if you were the victim. Each time it's time to eat, ask for and choose the vegan option. Don't be a bully to vegan children or anyone who has compassion for the animals. Heaven awaits those who do their part with a compassionate heart. Every vegan started out like you, thinking they could never be vegan. It was a crazy thing to do, and yet here they are, 100% vegan, speaking out on behalf of the victims all over the world. Never think that you can't be an ethical animal rights activist, because not only can you do it, but it's also your moral duty and your destiny. Be brave, be better, be vegan, be loved, and start now.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You're actually asking a question. Are free-range eggs abuse? I remember asking this question myself when I first became vegan. At first, it doesn't seem that bad, just taking eggs from chickens who just deposit them there. But you have to look at the whole picture. Where do these chickens come from in the first place? You also have to ask yourself the question, where are all the roosters? For every female that is there laying eggs, her brothers were murdered. They were murdered because they'll never be able to lay eggs, so they were considered to be useless. Chickens are bred to be so big these days that they often have even trouble standing up. They need their own nutrients, and although this might sound weird, if you leave the eggs with them, the ones that are unfertilized, they can also eat them themselves.
It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You ask a question. Do I try a beef burger or a plant-based burger? Well, I have a funny feeling that you've probably tried many beef burgers in your life. Most likely, hundreds of them. So my answer to you would be, maybe you should open up your palate and your heart and realize that eating animals is wrong. Would you eat a burger made out of a dog? Probably not. So why don't you go ahead and try the Beyond Burger or the Impossible Burger, or simply make your own burgers by Googling vegan burger recipe. You can make them out of lentils, out of black beans, out of chickpeas. You know, go vegan.
It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on. Vegans are here for the animals. We hate to see them suffer. We don't eat them or use them in any way. Vegans are here for the animals, protecting the earth, the sky, and the sea, spreading a message of empathy.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking a question. Are you going to tell lions to stop killing the birds and eating them? No, because it's the food chain. So why make us stop? Well, the reason that I am talking to you is because animals do not have moral agency. They can't decide for themselves what's right and wrong. They go by instinct. You, on the other hand, have a brain, and you know in your heart that eating animals is wrong. It's also unnecessary. I'm quite sure that you would not want to eat Bella because she's never done anything wrong to you. So the same goes for the chickens, cows, and pigs that you consume every day. They've never done anything wrong to you either. So just be vegan from now on.
You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know what you do need to do. Be brave, be vegan, the animals depend on you. To come to the rescue, you gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you, 'cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery, it's the right thing to do. You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know what you do need to do. Depend on you to come to the rescue. You gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you, 'cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery, it's the right thing to do. Yeehaw! Be brave, be vegan.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for being here, everyone. If you like this kind of video, please like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you all soon. By the way, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around the site. There's over 1,600 videos to choose from. Enjoy! Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.